Hello and welcome to part 2 of woodworking at Dollar Tree. So if you missed the first video, I'll throw a link down in the description. Essentially what this video is going to do is I'm going to get some items here I bought from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go through and talk about why they are so great for woodworkers. Let's just dive right into it. So first thing I found the other day was this level. So again, $1.25 here. Not the biggest level, but how many times have you been working on something small? For instance, you're putting shelves in something and you need to make sure it is perfectly straight. I have a large level set aside. Sometimes you just need that small one. It is magnetic. It does hit your 3 different sides. Great buy for $1.25. However, Dollar Tree is stepping up their game a little bit, and this is kind of a big deal. So yes, they have the $1.25 version, which apparently a lot of woodworkers don't call it the Dollar Tree anymore since it's $1.25. They call it the 5/4 tree. So woodworkers, you may get that. However, $1.25, they also have this. This is the $3 version. All right, 24-inch level, SAE and metric ruler on side, magnetic, soft bumper ends, 3 level options. This is not a bad level. All right, for $3, this thing is pretty awesome. I was there the other day and I saw the woman putting this stuff out, and I started a conversation with her, and apparently she kind of picked some of the stuff that they're going to put out, and she's like, you like this? She's like, there's some more stuff coming. So keep an eye out for more videos, because as Dollar Tree gets in some new stuff, I'm going to be bringing it to you. Let's keep going. So if you have a laser engraver, this one is awesome. It's a little $1.25 cutting board. And the reason I like this is because you can make little customized boards for kids. I made one for my son, one for my daughter. I just put, Joey's Kitchen on it. All right, you can put a little saying on it, something like that. You don't need to go through the trouble of cutting and gluing up. It's a cute little board. You're going to a craft fair, put some catchy little sayings on it. That would be great for a kid's cutting board, or for like a little cheese board looking thing. It's awesome for $1.25. If you are into epoxy resin, my mind was blown when I found this. Silicone molds. This one's a heart. They had a few different shapes there. If you go on Amazon or something, these things can be pretty expensive, but you just need some basic shapes. Check out Dollar Tree. Again, the molds are so easy when you pour that epoxy. You pour it, you let it set, you basically just bend it, it pops right out, especially if you're just getting started with it. You can get some cheap things of epoxy resin at Walmart. I think there's like a $20 kit. Buy some of these. Great way to test it out and get yourself started. Let's keep going here. A lot of these actually were suggested by comments in the last video. So again, if you check out that video, scroll through the comments, there is a ton of good advice in there. This is one someone had recommended. Again, $1.25 right here. This is a little paint kit. It's got the roller handle, 2 4-inch rollers, foam rollers, and 2 foam brushes in a little tray. So how many times have you just needed to paint something small or just finish something up? This is perfect for that. Buy 1 or 2, keep them handy for when you need them. Now, if I had sponsors, this would be a great place to put a sponsor, but I don't. So here's what I'm gonna do. If you are new to investing, I use Acorn. Again, not sponsored. I'm just gonna throw an affiliate link down below. When I grew up, nobody taught me anything about saving or investing, which stinks because I worked my butt off and blew all of my money, my own fault. But if you are looking to get started with investing, there's an affiliate link down below. You get like a $5 bonus offer when you sign up, I believe. And I think I get $5 too. So help me out, help you out, start investing. It's also ways to invest for your kids and your grandkids. So it might be worth taking a minute. Check out that affiliate link down below. Let's keep going here. All right. So I saw this there. And this is just a tiny toolbox, all right? $1.25, nothing super fancy. And if you're a woodworker with a beautiful shop, you may be like, why in the world do I care about a small toolbox? Well, the way I look at it, this is just great storage. If you have something you're trying to keep separate, put your chisels in here. If you have small paint supplies, things like that, for $1.25, it's not a bad compartment. Just store some stuff in it, keep it off to the side. You're not gonna walk onto a job site with this thing, get your hard hat and your vest and walk up with this. Might be hilarious actually. Maybe do that just for some laughs. But it is a great buy for $1.25. And once again, I told you Dollar Tree is stepping up their game. So now they also have this. This is the $5 version right here. 16-inch toolbox. Storage compartments on the top. These open up, or the This is one big hole. Whoop, storage on the top. You have the tray on the inside. Again, it's not going to be your heavy-duty industrial toolbox, but for $5, it's worth checking out. I have 2 kids. I'm probably going to grab one of these for each of them. They can each set up their own little toolboxes. Not a bad deal. Now, sanding blocks. This is your basic, I just need to sand something down. It's pretty rough, pretty aggressive. Here's what confused me though. This is $1.25. They also had this for $1.25. So this is the exact same sanding block, but this one also comes with a handle. All right, so again, $1.25, $1.25. Choose the one you want. Me, I'm going with the one with the handle. Again, this was recommended by someone in the last video. I didn't even know they had these. I believe it was over in the automotive hardware section. So great buy. You know what you should really do right now? Like and subscribe. Let's get back to it. Did you know they had dowel rods at Dollar Tree? The arts and crafts section is a gold mine. Make sure to check it out. All right, 4 dowel rods. These are, I believe, 12 inches a piece. Yep, 12 inches a piece. I've seen them in different sizes as far as thickness goes, but for $1.25, grab them, keep them handy. If you're a woodworker, you know you're gonna need them at some point. Foam brushes, all right? We use them all the time, and I'm gonna tell you something I've done before. Yes, these are foam brushes, but there's been times I have just cut off the foam brush on the end, and again, a dowel rod, because there's so many times you end up needing them. Why not take advantage of having them handy? They kind of serve a double purpose. Paint with it, when you're done, cut off the end, make the most of it. I have 2 things left. I'm gonna tell you this, the last one is the best. These metal drawer pulls, so yes, they're considered drawer pulls, but if you're a woodworker, there's a good chance you've made some kind of tray or charcuterie board at some point. $1.25 a piece. Not bad at all. They're not the fanciest things in the world, but you're making something basic, you're making something simple, you don't want to get too fancy with it. $1.25 for the handles. And now this next one, somebody mentioned it to me, and I had no idea they carried these, and I don't think my Dollar Trees in this area did until literally they just started putting them out. Yes, these are from Dollar Tree, okay? These are $3 a piece. These are quick release button, dual function clamp and spreader, and they are 6-inch bar clamps. How good are they? I'm gonna tell you this. The person in the comments said they've had one for a while, and they said they've had no problems with them. What blew my mind, if you go to your Dollar Tree, check these out. They are so heavy. Like they're not cheap plastic. These are heavy duty, and they're $3. $3 for a bar clamp, all right? Worth checking out. There are some great deals at Dollar Tree. And there was a whole tool section they were setting up at my Dollar Tree that was brand new. And again, that's where I ran into that woman, and she was like, guess what? There's more stuff coming. So there will be more coming from Dollar Tree. Keep an eye out on it. If you love deals, make sure you check it out. Also, have you subscribed yet? If not, you should probably do that. All right? Have a great day.